Hey, this is Kalam. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral trending YouTube video using Invideo AI, and I'm using Deepseek for creating video idea. So this is a super easy way you can create viral trending YouTube video using Deepseek and Invideo AI. It's completely free for joining and creating everything. So without any time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm going on Deepseek. Then I type here, give me others YouTube video idea, top 10 horror movie in the world. So this AI tool give me lots of idea, YouTube video idea. Then I want to copy one for creating video. Okay, secret movie all time, horror movie scenes, true. Then I copy number one. Then I'm going on Invideo AI. Then this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. When you click, you are redirected to this website. Then click on next explainer video, paste your title, top 10 most underrated horror movies you have never seen. Then I select 5 minutes, then select platform YouTube. Then if you want relevant information, click on here, then you can add as well. So I don't need this one. This is a setting option, only stock media, only generated clips. So if you have a paid account, I request you for using only generated clip. This AI tool, paid image and video, everything real time. It's not copyright issue, and I select right now stock media because this is a free account. Then click on background music. So I want to add horror type background music for attractive audience, my audience. Then select your language. Here are lots of language available: German, French, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, Spain, and lots of you can choose one. So I select English because this is my favorite language. Then voice actors, okay, I select female. Then voice type, I charge on Middle East beauty voice. You can choose any others, it doesn't matter as well. Then click on continue, again click on generate video. Then wait in few seconds for the processing your data. It's already starting analyzing for my video. After completing these tasks, you need to select stock media. If you have a paid account, you can select generative media. So this is my free account. I select stock media. Then choose your durations. I select 5 minutes. Audience type horror fans, movie graph, YouTube viewers. Okay, this is good. Then again click on continue. So this is the final step for creating this YouTube video. Wow, my video are ready for downloading right now, but I want to check everything are good or not good. So if you found any mistake here, don't worry, I have a way for solution this one. Just click on edit button, then you can edit everything, then anything. So again purpose, if you want to replace this image to others image, you can replace it with easy way. Just select this image, then upload your media from your computer, then replace it. This is very easy. Then if you want to add a background music, this is available on here. If you want to change it, this is available. If you want to add a script, this is available. Everything you are able to doing on here. So I don't need anything edit here. I want to just click on download button for downloading this one because everything are good. Then okay, now I select stock watermark because this is a free account. Then normal 180. Then click on downloads. Okay, download now starting here. So if you have a paid account, you can choose others option method. You can generate lots of video. You can create any type of video using this AI tool. So first of all, I request you for use free plan. Then when you have a good understanding with this tool, then you can go into the paid plan. Paid plan are not much expensive. This is very cheap price, $28 per month. Then I hope this is very cheap rate. So first of all, use pre-plan, then create lots of video for good understanding with this tool, then you going to paid plan. Okay, my video are already starting download. Then you can see this AI tool give me a video description and outline. So this is super. Okay, if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe to the channel. So you can take care.
Hey horror fans, welcome back to Dead Meat. Today we're diving into the dark corners of cinema to bring you the top 10 most underrated horror movies you've never seen. These hidden gems deserve your attention, so let's get started. We're talking about those films that might have slipped through the cracks. So grab your popcorn, turn off the lights, and get ready to discover your new favorite horror obsession.